Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. I have Hobby here with me today because you guys have been asking for him to come back to the channel. Are you happy to be here?
Yeah.
So happy?
He's been here, yeah.
Should have been coming more often now. Should have been telling me, babe, let's live together.
But you don't invite me, so I can't.
You need special invitation.
Yes, no, I can't come and crash your channel.
Say not crash. But anyway, guys, Hobby is here today, and today we are just going to film a random Q&A video. We've done this in the past before a lot of times, so without further ado, without wasting too much of your time, let's get right into the video. Okay, babes, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Were you born ready?
Born ready.
If you had to go a week without your phone, what would you miss the most about it?
I miss Instagram a lot.
Instagram? But you don't really do much of Instagram like that.
Okay, I'll miss my Bible app. I'll also miss... I scroll on Instagram to relieve myself, to just enjoy myself and
relieve stress.
Yes, relieve stress. So
Yeah.
that too. Then what else? YouTube, yeah.
Yeah, YouTube. You watch a lot of YouTube
videos,
and even Netflix on your phone. You watch.
Nah.
Don't you?
Nah. I only do Netflix if, let's say I'm watching a movie,
Yeah.
and then I have to sleep, and then, you know, I go to lie down, I can't sleep
Yeah.
immediately, then I'll just go to my phone to watch.
For me, basically what I would miss, to be honest, is Instagram. I can watch YouTube on my laptop, so if it's phone, I'll miss my Instagram, that's for sure. Are you ready for this one?
Yeah.
What do you like most that I do in bed?
Wow. I wasn't expecting it. Do I have to answer?
I'm not answering that. No, I'm not answering that. I'm not answering that. What was your first impression of me, and did you ever dislike me?
My first impression of you.
Yeah. NYC Camp 2010.
I've said that over and over again. Like,
Yeah.
my first impression when I saw her, I didn't really think much. I was just curious, basically, because she was this cute, petite girl in white, you know, that was just about her business, not really minding much of anything, you know. So it got me curious. That was my first
Curiosity.
Curiosity
was the first impression. Like, who is this babe?
Yeah, you
who is
get
this
so-
girl? Right?
That was it, basically.
Okay.
When I met you, the first impression actually after meeting you was that you were so warm and nice. You're not uptight at all.
Oh, so you never disliked me?
No.
Oh, look at that, guys. It was love at first sight. Like at first sight, and just grew to love from there. If you woke up tomorrow as the opposite sex, what would be the top 3 things that you would do? So if you woke up tomorrow as a woman, what would be the top 3 things you would do?
You know, this question is really hard because it's not something you think about.
Yeah, and because it's not something that I've actually thought about and said,
I've never thought
if
of
I were a
being a
woman.
lady. Never thought of being a woman before.
Yeah.
Never ever.
Never. For me, I think the first thing I would do if I wake up as a man would be to pee standing up. That's the first thing I would do, because you guys pee standing up now. You don't pee sitting down. So I would pee standing up. That's like the first thing I would do. I don't know about the other 2 things, but that's the first thing I would do. Yeah.
But what do I like? What would I like being a lady, a woman?
Yeah, actually, look at it. You definitely wouldn't like to give birth, that's for sure.
Yes.
You don't like to get pregnant.
And
you don't like
every
any
other
of
thing
those
was
things.
I don't want to push out any baby.
You don't want to push out. Oh, right. But I should push it.
Yes.
Isn't that yes? What do you think is my best physical feature?
Your eyes.
Yes, I knew you were going to say it, because that's like my best physical feature. I get that all the time, guys. People always ask me, oh my God, are you wearing contacts? Oh, what color is your contact? I'm just like, I'm not wearing contacts. That's the eyes that God gave to me, okay? And then your best physical feature for me would be this.
Really?
Yes, your beards.
Wow.
Yeah, I like it. I love it. If you could be on any reality TV show, which one would it be?
Definitely not BBN.
You said definitely not. Go the ultimate search.
No. It's a reality TV show.
Yeah, reality. But you don't watch a lot of reality TV, to be honest.
No, I
you
don't.
Apart from Big Brother, you don't really watch
Not so much, yeah.
For me, it would definitely be Big Brother. If I were to be on any reality TV show in Nigeria, it would be Big Brother. What is the most sensitive part of your body? Sensitive.
In terms of what?
Like sensitive.
Like how? Like in relationship with what?
I don't know. Sensitivity.
No.
I think okay, let me not answer for you. So
no, but I need to know sensitive as in
sensitive, maybe touchy parts. Like when you touch that part, you're all
yeah, definitely.
maybe ticklish,
Ticklish,
or
yeah. I'm so ticklish.
Yeah, you are. Like if I as much as touch this man on the side
yeah.
here, Jesus, it's
I
like
will just fall down.
It's like, what are you doing? What just happened? There are so many times I've touched this man on the side though. Not even tummy or maybe armpit area.
But like where
you are so ticklish, babe. I don't know why.
I'm so charged up there. Why?
I know. You're asking me. If you ask me now, who I go ask? For me, sensitive parts. I rather not say on camera. Do you think you're a good kisser?
Try.
The truth though. You say I try.
I try. I think I am. What do you think?
Yeah, I guess. I guess so.
Really?
I can't say that you're a fantastic kisser now, my guy. Now, wow.
I'm not. Wow. Yeah, rate me.
I should rate you.
1 to 10.
Hey, babe, that's hard. Come on, don't do that now. Don't make me do that.
Oh, yeah, no.
Maybe a 7.
That's good.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
What about me?
8.
Hey, oh, I now feel bad. I should have given you 8 over 10. Is there a memory you have of me that always makes you laugh?
I'm sure there is. There are plenty.
I think I remember one. We came across VIO in front.
Oh.
Guys, let me tell you guys this story.
Wow.
He didn't have his vehicle papers. They were expired. I think you hadn't renewed them yet.
Yeah.
And we sighted VIO from afar.
How did you remember that?
I remember. Now, if you guys don't know, in Abuja, we have what we call VIO, Directorate of Vehicle Inspections, something. Right? So what they do is that they just stand on the road to ruin your day. So if you don't have
not necessarily ruin your day, check your papers and check that everything is complete.
But they ruin your day in the process, babe.
If you don't have it.
Yeah. Then they check your vehicle papers, your license and all of that, extinguisher, triangle, all those things, you know. And if you don't have any one of that, they will just end up ruining your whole day and you pay a fine and go to their office. In fact, if you had any engagement for the day, just cancel it. There's no point. Okay, so we sighted these people from afar. They were in the front and we're already approaching them. There was no way for us to even turn back.
I was confused.
Yeah,
I was like, God, I think my papers just expired.
it just expired and we knew that they catch us that
and
day.
Those guys, they don't hear mercy. I beg. They know the hear I beg.
And we're going to somewhere very important that we could not even afford to waste time. You get. So what did Alma do? I had to form that my stomach was on fire. I had to form like he was rushing me to the hospital. Like I had to form my stomach.
The way you started acting up, I was like, wow. I was like, okay. So I just went with the flow.
Yeah.
So when they stopped, they're like, your papers, everything. I knew that I dare not give them my papers.
Yeah.
So I was like, no, you know what? I need to take my wife to the hospital. She's not feeling well.
Yeah. I was screaming, guys, my stomach. Then one of them was now saying it's a lie.
That the source from our father, you're looking okay.
That I was looking okay. I was like, who is this witch? Who is this devil? As in, the guy was like, it's a lie, guy, it's a lie. From afar. I saw them from afar. I said, there was something wrong with her. I said, wow, are you now a witch? They were now saying, hey, just bring out your papers. My husband was like, no, we cannot stop. We cannot. I was screaming. My stomach, oh God, please, my stomach.
They say, it's not just to bring your paper. I say, yes, but we are in a hurry. We have to go to the hospital. Last, end of the day, they allowed us to go.
They just said, oh, go. I think the overall Oga was like, let them go. Man, they don't want to hear that one woman died in their hands because of vehicle papers.
Yeah.
So looking back, that was really funny.
Yeah.
Like, that was really funny. Wow.
You can act, Shao.
I can't act. Are you serious? And people are always telling me now, that's how I used to act on reels. The same thing now. I was born for this, man. What would you do if you won $10,000?
$10,000.
How much is that in Nigerian currency? That's like 5.6 million.
5.6 million.
It's not even plenty money like that.
Not plenty.
It's not plenty money.
Yeah, but there's a whole lot.
What will you do with that?
Invest in my business.
Yeah.
First
photography
off,
business.
Yep.
For me, if I won $10,000, yeah, I think the same thing. Either I would just leave it in my account, or I would definitely like invest in stocks. Yeah,
nice.
I'll invest in stocks. Not all the money, but a good amount of the money will go into like stocks. What one thing would you like to change about me? I know the answer to this question.
You know, sometimes you find it difficult being patient.
Yes, I know.
That's the part I want you to like. No, is it just being patient? It's like you get easily fidgety. Like,
yeah, I panic a lot.
Easily panic. Even things that you can. I wish you to be more.
Just calm down.
Calm down.
Yeah.
You know.
I know, guys. I panic over the littlest of things, and I already knew the answer to this question before he even opened his mouth to say it safe. For me, if I was to change one thing about you, it would be that when I ask you to help me do something once, please just do it for me. I don't want to have to say it again and again and again and again and again. Yes, babe.
Like what? Give me an example.
An example is when I begged you to please help me clean the AC filter. You told me you would do it, and then the following day I asked you again. You said you would do it, and the following day I just climbed chair by myself and I did it by myself.
See, my dear,
because I was tired of asking you.
My dear, it's not that. See, sometimes one just is. There's so many things that one is thinking about. You're doing so much.
Yeah.
It's not like you don't want to do. I remember at that time.
Yeah.
Then you just get carried away with every other stuff. Don't worry, I'll try better. I'll try to be better.
Yeah, please be better. That's the only thing.
But I'm trying now.
No, actually, you try, my love. You try, but sometimes it can be annoying and frustrating when I have to now end up doing it by myself. You know, who did you feel closer to as a child, your mother or your father?
My mother.
Yeah, definitely. As a child, for me, my dad. It was my dad, because my mom used to be very strict with us, and my dad was the opposite. So I tilted more towards him when I was growing up.
But like the girl child tends more towards their daddies.
Yeah.
My sister the same thing. My sister was more close to my dad than my mom.
Yeah. Up till now, my mom still calls me daddy's girl. That I side my dad a lot now. At this point in my life, I love my parents equally. Growing up, it was my dad. Mom see, Awala was too much. It was too much. Even when I was a teenager, God, that woman was on my case. As in, I'm telling you. How can I help you when you are angry or sad?
When I'm angry or sad, just leave me alone first.
Yeah. I think that works for both of us. When either of us is upset, angry, sad, we just let each other be for a while. Give you your space, okay? Yep. And then most times you'll see that it's that same person who was upset that will now come around. That's how it works for us, Sha. And then the last one, if you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Healthy or unhealthy?
Oh, it has to be healthy. I mean, if it's for the rest of your life, you can't be eating one unhealthy thing for the rest of your life. So I guess it has to be healthy.
Garden eggs.
Garden egg. For the rest of your life, morning, afternoon, night. Garden egg. That's how you like garden egg like that.
Healthy stuff.
Or more. Me, I'd rather have
what?
Salad. Chicken salad.
Yeah, that works.
For the rest of my life. Garden egg, okay.
Yeah, that works.
But you're strange.
There's protein in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though I feel like I'll get really bored.
But there's nothing you won't eat. Like, there's nothing out there that you eat every day and not get bored. There's nothing.
Even rice that we eat every other day, we are still bored of rice.
Yeah,
chips, the same thing. Basef, all of them. Anyway, guys, so that is all we have for you guys in today's video. Just a very random Q&A. Sitting down here with my hubby, answering this random questions. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Did you enjoy being here today?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Would you come back soon?
If you have me.
Yeah, of course. Why not? Alright, guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.